Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on FIO or FIO protocol. The price line of FIO protocol has broken out a very big triangle on the weekly time frame. And from here, the price line can start another massive rally. Even though we had a massive rally yesterday that was approximately 80%, but I'm expecting a more bigger rally than the previous one. But before moving to the live charts, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this chart that I shared on 3rd of November for my members at the Patreon yesterday when the price line of FIO or FIO protocol broke out the resistance of a very big symmetrical triangle. And I told my members that as per this triangle, our first target can be 41 cents and the second target can be 53 cents. Now let's play the chart and see how the price line behaved after that. You can see that the price line was moving at 2.46 cents, and after playing the chart we can see that the price line rallied even beyond this first target and moved up to 43.75 cents. That was approximately 80% move. Now it is moved down. Now if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then we can see that this is the perfect triangle. You can see that we have so many rejections by this resistance and so many bounces by the support as well. But to dig it more deeper, this move more deeper, we just need to watch it on the small time frame. Like first I would like to show you on the daily time frame. You can see that we had this retest the previous resistance, even the support of the triangle as well, and the price line recovered back very soon after this spike. And if we switch to the hourly time frame, then we can see this move more clear. We had a very short spike up to this support, and on the very next candlestick, even on the same candlestick, it is recovered back very soon, and now it is moving above this resistance of this very big symmetrical triangle on the weekly time frame. Now after these rejections, we have rejection here and here, and this is another smaller rejection than the previous one. The price line has formed another as a small triangle. This is another descending triangle above this resistance of the symmetrical triangle. You can see that we have rejection here. I'm just ignoring this extra spike. Then we have another rejection here, and this is another rejection. So I'm just going to connect all these three rejections, and we can see that the price line has formed another symmetrical triangle. It is possible that we will have some more zigzag move between this resistance and the support, and as the triangle will be squeezed, as soon it will break out the resistance of this triangle. That will be another confirmation for a massive move. In my point of view, it is really very good opportunity to buy it above this resistance of a bigger triangle, the symmetrical triangle. And once the price line will break out this resistance of this descending triangle, that will be another confirmation for the massive rally. The targets are same, even though we have achieved our first target as per this trade, but again, the price line is testing this resistance of the previous triangle, this bigger triangle. Look at this daily time frame. It is testing this previous resistance of this triangle as a support, and after this retest, we can expect a powerful rally, and I'm expecting that this time it can even hit the second target as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.